the big enchilada, the big cheese, getting ready to walk in. See how my daughter did versus William Scott. The doors are already open. I don't get it. Is that supposed to be like a power intro or something? Have I created a monster? Shouldn't. It's not about them, okay? And if you are gonna do a power shot, just want, and you guys don't put this in the edit. You look like you're about to knock a lung loose. Okay, I wanna be left alone. I wanna be able to, I'm basing this on the flatness of the panel, the cleanliness of the panel, the buffing, the making sure there's no scratches in it, and the final finish.
After looking at Alyssa's and looking at mine, obviously, just looking, mine's better, obviously. But Mark being Mark again, Alyssa's gonna win. She's gonna be better than me. I'm gonna be she's great. And yeah, that's how it's gonna go.
I will reveal the judge's score. As you were.
Who won?
He's an idiot. So the competition thing between Alyssa and I, you know, that's just more Mark twisting stuff, spinning it around, just like when I asked to borrow a car. You know, he takes something that's innocent, and then before you know it, it all comes back at my expense.
Recently, I got kind of one of those bucket list vehicles. I'm an old motorcycle buff. I love all that. I had a Bultaco 250 and a 125 per Sang. My cousin had a TM 400. I had a Honda 100. As kids, we just always played with motorcycles.
You know, and don't get me wrong. I'm appreciative that he let me borrow the motorcycle. You know, it is transportation to get home.
I haven't even ridden it. I only just got it. But I thought, what a great treat.
But while that is nice, I just can't help but think, you know, we have 2 or 3 shop trucks here. We have a van. Mark's got a couple of personal cars. I just don't understand why he had to put me on
To hand him the keys, so to speak, and let him be able to drive that, should he need to.
So I guess at the end of the day, I have to look at the bright side. It gets good gas mileage. If I crash, I'm not gonna go far to hit the ground. But I'm Will Scott, the #1 painter here at Graveyard Carz. You know, I have a reputation. I can't be going around town on a mini bike. It looks ridiculous. Mark has always said he would rather be at the bottom of a ladder that he wants to climb, rather than being halfway up a ladder that he doesn't. I'm 40 years old. I got 6 kids. I just want to be at the top of a ladder. Any ladder.